welcome to today's home paint from Boder Home Inspection. Trying to get the light just right here so I can do the video. I'm in an attic space of an old church built in 1925, and I just thought I found it interesting, thought I would share it with those that watch my videos. In particular, I want to show you some knob and tube wiring. Some of you have heard of it, maybe don't understand what it is, so I'll show you what it looks like. So again, we're above a false ceiling in the church. Doesn't look like it's ever been insulated up here, but here's the electrical that used to run through the building. And I don't know if it's still alive at this point. I haven't tested it. You can see that there's insulators, ceramic insulators that kept the wires from touching things. Now, this type of wire is still, to my knowledge at least, it's still allowed, but the problem with it, and the reason it's not considered safe as it used to, as what we have today, of course everything gets better in time, I would say, in terms of technology, but the reason it's not as safe is because there's no ground, and if you bury this wire, it tended to get hot. If you buried it in insulation, it caused fires oftentimes, and I've seen attics that have been burned because of knob and tube wire. So if you have knob and tube, you should have your electrician go through it, make sure it's safe, and decide whether or not you want to keep it or not. Talk to your insurance company, make sure they are aware that you have it and that they're okay with you having it. Because the last thing you want is to have a fire and have your insurance company say, well, we didn't know there was knob and tube, so we're not insuring it.